TravelSolo! Happy 1-year anniversary on your YouTube channel. At sana lalo pang maging successful, and thank you for everything you have helped me. And of course, see you around. Love ya. Stay safe. Bye!
Hello everyone! Magandang umaga, magandang gabi. Binabati namin si Dam TravelSolo or Hoteliers Life. Happy first year anniversary sa channel mo at salamat sa mga tulong na naibigay mo sa amin at nandito lang kami na nagsusuporta sa iyong channel at sana marami ka pang matulungan na may maliliit na bahay at good luck po. Nandito po si Miss Arnelli, nakasama ko laging naghihintay pag nag-open na ang live mo at laging pasaway sa baba. At yun lang po, maraming salamat at ging Martates, thank you sa'yo.
At salamat sa Dam kasi tinuturing mo kaming kaibigan. Salamat.
Hello Dam TravelSolo, congratulations for your first anniversary in your YouTube channel. May you have many more subscribers to come at we always support you. Keep faith. That's all. Keep faith and I hope na ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. That's all and happy first anniversary again. Keep safe and God bless you always.
Hello, good evening po. Binabati ko po ng 1-year anniversary si TravelSolo. Salamat po sa lahat ng tulong at suporta sa mga may maliliit na bahay. Good luck po and God bless. Bye!
Hi! Surprise! It's me, Velostream. Siyempre, hindi ako papahuli, okay? I would like to greet you. Happy first year anniversary, TravelSolo. Nakakatawa kasi ang layo na ng iyong narating. Ang wishes ko lang naman sa'yo ay stay healthy, stay happy, and magka-lovelet na. Ay, kinikilig siya. And many more blessing to come. Ito na rin yung pagkakataon na mag-thank you sa'yo. Salamat sa mga blessing na sinishare mo din sa amin. And then, more blessing to come kasi the more blessing na natatanggap mo, yan ay sinishare mo sa amin. That was so thoughtful and so sweet talaga. Salamat din sa iyong pagiging friendly. Sana hindi ka magbago. And always take care. Kami ng mga friend mo dito sa Whitey World ay lagi nakasuporta sa'yo. Kahit na lagi ako absent, nandito naman yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo mula sa aking puso at isipan. Nambobola. Kaya mamaya na lang yung tip ha. Char! Ayan! Seryoso na to. Sobrang thank you talaga. At saka natutuwa ako sa iyong Najib. At I'm for sure na mas hihigitan pa yan. Kasi kilala kita. Hindi ka nakukontento sa mababa lang. Hanggat kaya mo, gagawin mo yung best mo. Kaya yun yung talagang nakakahanga-hanga sa'yo. Ayan. Thank you so much. Always take care. Always mong tandaan na nandito kami nakasuporta kahit magkakalayo tayo. I love you.
Happy first anniversary, TravelSolo! Yan. Ayan, happy first anniversary in behalf of Team Chatters. Nandito kami ngayon nakikigulo sa first anniversary mo. Wish you all the best.
With TravelSolo! Congratulations! I really don't know how to greet, but I need Popsy to help me. All I can say is just like this lang. Just be
you.
You.
Happy anniversary, TravelSolo. Yeah.
More years. In YouTube po, ganito na talaga. Just be you for more years. And
You're not going to be grounded.
And exactly, and hopefully to see you. Hopefully to see you and to visit yung mga hotels mo.
Freebies.
Yung freebies. Mga sabon na bakara at iba pa. Kung diyan ko mag-freebies. And also, looking forward to hopefully soon your resort because you just bought a property, and then I wish you all the best. And
Yes, if you're looking for a partner, then look no further than Chatterbox Coffee.
may kwarta de ka. You have the money.
What is that?
Ambisyoso.